Would you believe a calculator makes $400,000 a year? Not Shopify, not AI, not crypto, a calculator. And that's not even the craziest part. Today I'm breaking down 3 of the most boring websites online, and there is a business quietly pulling in 6 or 7 figures in a year. Website 1, freepdfconvert.com. You've got a Word doc, your boss wants it as PDF, and you've got about 12 seconds before the meeting. You Google convert Word to PDF, and boom, you land on this site. No signups, no downloads, just one button, upload your file. You click it, it works, and you're gone. Now multiply that moment by 4.3 million people a month, and you start to see how freepdfconvert.com is printing money quietly in the background without doing anything flashy. Each visitor sticks around for about 2.5 pages, which adds up to 10.9 million page views monthly. And at a conservative $1.5 per 1,000 views, this boring little utility is making roughly $16,000 a month or $197,000 a year. All from a tool most of us use once, forget instantly, and rediscover next time they're in a rush. There is no fancy UI, no clever branding, just a dead simple solution to a task people Google every single day. That's the magic of boring. It doesn't look cool on your portfolio, but it makes money while you sleep. Website number 2, typingtest.com. Alright, next up, a website that literally measures how fast you can type. I know, groundbreaking, but typetest.com isn't here to win design awards. It's here to do one thing really, really well, and apparently that's enough to pull 3.2 million visitors every month. People land on the site, take a quick typing test, maybe play a typing game, and maybe try again to beat their score. And just like that, they're ranking up 7.5 page views per visit. That's 24 million page views a month. At the same modest $1.5 RPM, that comes out $36,000 per month or about $432,000 a year. From a site that helps you press keys faster. There are no logins, no products, just good old-fashioned displayed ads. And it works because the site solves a super clear, super Google-able problem. People type typing speed test, hit the link, and boom, typing test is waiting at the top. High traffic, high engagement, low maintenance. This is the kind of site that gets bookmarked by teachers, shared in forums, and passed around on Reddit every time someone wants to flex their WPM. Imagine you're baking a cake. The recipe says 200 grams of flour, but you've only got a measuring cup. So you Google grams to cups, land on a boring old website that looks like it hasn't been touched in years. And that exact website quietly pulls in over 300K a year. How? How does something this simple make that kind of money? It's all about utility. Hundreds of calculators solving niche everyday problems. No branding, no funnel, just tools. And clearly, a lot of people need them. Their conversion calculator alone pulls 4.8 million visitors a month, with each person clicking around for 3.5 pages per visit. That adds up to 17 million page views monthly. Even at a modest ad rate of $1.5 RPM, it's still making over $25,000 every single month. It's not pretty, but it works. And in a world full of noise, that's exactly why this quiet little calculator is a powerhouse. So yeah, a PDF converter, a typing test, and a calculator, not exactly the stuff of Silicon Valley dreams, but here's the truth. These sites aren't trying to be flashy. They're not chasing trends or hyping tech. They solve one specific problem, they show up when people search, and they quietly make 6 to 7 figures a year doing it. And that's the real takeaway. You don't need to build the next unicorn startup. You just need to find that one niche, that one utility that people Google every day, and deliver it better, faster, or simpler than anyone else. And if you're building on WordPress, faster starts with your site speed. That's where Airlift comes in. It's a free speed optimization plugin built to make your WordPress site load quicker, feel smoother, and convert better. No dev work, no complex settings, just install and go. Because slow sites don't make money, fast ones do. If this gave you ideas, send it to a friend, drop it in your founders group, or just bookmark it for the day you stop chasing cool. Start building something smart. See you in the next one. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.